Hey everyone and welcome back to unboxing video. My name is Mehul and you are watching Vlog Tech unboxing episode. Today we're gonna having first look on newly arrived DJI OM4 SE. So this gimbal arrived to Australia I think 1 week almost, but it took time to deliver usually. This is a successor of OM4, and the difference of only on this gimbal and OM4 is magnetic clamp, which is like in this gimbal magnetic clamp might be a little bit smaller, but when I checked the spec sheet, so there was a magnetic clamp is 2 gram more heavier than OM4, and the main difference is buying this one compared to OM5, which is already there, but I bought this one because the price difference. OM4 was $239, yeah, MRP price, and this one is $159. Only difference is magnetic lamp, rest of everything is same. And OM5 has only extension rod, which I don't require usually. I bought different thing. I will show you in next video that what I have bought for OM4 SE. I'm gonna extend it. Okay, so this is the reason I bought OM4 SE instead of OM5. Let's start unboxing and have a look. As you can see, this is normal packaging of DJI. Nothing changed except SE. Otherwise as same box what usually come like a OM4. So let's don't waste the time and unwrap the box. As you can see, when we open the box, the first thing is instruction booklet we see. So it is very good for beginners and to understand how to operate the gimbal. So let's put the instruction book on side. This is magnetic clamp, so that clamp to your phone and magnetically attached to the gimbal. This is a tripod and extended grip, you can see, so you can use this gimbal as a tripod as well. So this is type C cable, so it can charge your gimbal, and this is also support quick charge. And this is the spacer. It's good for small phone if you have to put behind your magnetic lamp. And this is the gimbal. So gimbal is opening as the same as OM4 as well, nothing changed. So you can see the lovely gimbals over there and same magnetic clamps and everything, just a little bit magnetic clamp size different, otherwise magnet is the same. So let's put gimbal on side. As you can see that this is all things comes in the box. In next one I'm going to show you how to put tripod. So to assemble the gimbal, get the tripod or extension, screw it on the bottom of the part and open it, and your gimbal is ready to use. It's easy to clamp your phone, yeah, just look at this side, dot side up, take your phone. This is by the way Xiaomi 10T Pro, heaviest phone. Clip it on, make sure it's in middle, hold it here, okay, press the button, ready, your gimbal is ready. By the way, this gimbal also handle 170 to 290 gram of weight of the phone. So if your phone have cover or something, it can handle, but make sure your cover is not wider. See, as you can see, this phone cover is wider a little bit, so it won't fit here. So the cover won't fit here. So for this one, I bought some extension clips. You can clip it here and here, so it's gonna hold the bigger size of phone little bit. with the covers as protection is necessary. Yes, I'm going to charge this for gimbal right now. And also one more thing, that you can see that these gimbal have a chargings as well. So it's a USB A port, yeah. So you can charge your phone and gimbal, because this is power bank as well, kind of work as a power bank. And this is charging port here. So you can easily charge your phone while recording as well. Just make sure you have proper smaller size of charging cable, as if longer cable will disturb the gimbal rotation and everything. This gimbal is nice and good, not as heavy as I want other gimbal. Yes, compared to OM5, OM5 is like less heavy, but still you have to compromise with the battery. This gimbal hold power of, I think, 15 hours as they claim, DJI claim, but we will test on the real field as well. So to connect DJI to the phone is easy. Just keep your Bluetooth on and open DJI Mimo app and connect. So this is first time setup, so it will take time, but after that it will connect easily. We are still waiting for the activation as we are registering the device. As you can see, it's done. And I ask for the questionnaire. So here how we can enter the DJI Mimo app. You can see guys, it's on shooting mode at the moment. You can see there is active tracking function is working. As I'm moving, it's still tracking. So stay tuned for the next video for the how to use the DJI gimbal. Thank you. See ya.